Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas to all of you. So my today's look is this, and I'm going to share the hairstyle, makeup, outfit, everything. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So I have already set my base because my base is same as everyday makeup look. In my everyday makeup look, the base was first I have put aloe vera gel as a primer, and then concealer to cover my dark spots, and then BB cream because casually I don't want to use foundation, so BB cream I'm okay. So for that the base is same, so I have not showed you, and I have set it with a compact powder. Now we will start our eye makeup, and today's as Christmas our look will be full red edition, means our look will be red. So let's start with the eye makeup. Eye makeup will be a little bit glossy or shimmery eyeshadow. We will use it because our base is very normal. I'm not using highlighter too much, so we will highlight our eyes and lips with red lipstick and eyes. How we will do, let's see. So first I'm going to use as my eye base, I will use this brown, light brown matte eyeshadow to do my base. So मैं इसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी दूसरे आई शेडो ब्रश से, सो ये ज़्यादा ना दिखे, मीन्स ज़्यादा हाईलाइट ना करे, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू कीप माई बेस लाइट. Now from this palette I will take shimmery red eyeshadow to do my crease area. Shimmery red. With red I will take this, this is not totally brown but brown, this eyeshadow. I will take this color and red color and I will mix it and I will do it in my crease. So I am doing this with this brush. So let's start. I will blend it with this flat brush. See how glossy look. So now I will put concealer on my this middle part. Then how we will do this, let's see. Concealer in my eyelid, as you can see I put little, not too much, in the eyelid. Now with the help of the fingers, because fingers are always the best for doing eye makeup, for means if we use eyeshadow in the eyelid, so for that I always prefer finger. So with the help of my finger I will take this red color, and I will put it in my eyelid. So with the help of my finger I have put red eyeshadow on my eyelid, but this red is not totally red, it is like pinkish red type. So to give it more glossy look, I will put this brown red eyeshadow, brown red shimmery eyeshadow to my eyelid with the help of this fan brush. This is not fan brush, sorry, with the help of this flat eyeshadow brush. extra eyeshadows that is around my eyes. I will clean it later. So as you can see, the eyes is so glossy and it is almost like smoky eyes, but not smoky eyes, but I loved it a lot.
So I am loving this eye makeup because it is not totally red, because totally red looks so awkward, right? It is like brownish reddish eye makeup. So I am done with my this eye makeup also, so you can see both the eye. So now I am putting highlighter under my eyebrows to highlight my eyes. So now I am putting mascara to give a volume to my eyelashes, because as I am not using any eyeliner, so mascara will look nice. Put it carefully. Mascara gives us a natural look. Now I am putting kajal to my lower lash line in the waterline of my eyes.
So now my eye makeup is totally complete. So now I will start my face makeup. Face makeup means my face is already ready with base. So now I will use contouring powder to contour my face. So let's start.
So now I am using contouring powder. I am making my face a fish face so that I can get my exact place of contouring, forehead, jawline, everywhere. Now I am contouring my nose and blending it nicely. Now I am using highlighter on bridge of my nose to highlight my nose. Now I am putting a blush on to my cheeks by smiling, because when you give a smile, we get the exact place of blush on, and I am blending it nicely. So now I am using compact powder to set my whole makeup. Now I am using lipstick. Red lipstick I am using, as Christmas our theme is red and white, so red lipstick. So now I am putting setting spray to set my whole makeup. Now I am using makeup blender to set my setting spray.
So now our makeup is fully done. Now we will do our hair quickly and easily. Let's start.
So now I am doing middle partition, because as we are going to do 2 buns, so we need to do middle partition. So do the middle partition. And now we will make a side ponytail with the help of rubber band. Is it side ponytail? I don't know. Means we will make a what we tell? Yeah, means side, as you can see. Then we will comb our hair nicely, and we will make 2 partition, and we will roll the first partition, and we will just roll it on the bun, means around our rubber band, to make a bun. And we will secure it with a bobby pin. Secure it nicely so that it don't open. Again we will put bobby pin to set the whole bun.
So see, this easy, busy, messy bun is looking super duper cute, right? So if you are liking it, let me know in the comment section below. So now we will change our outfit and we will see the whole Christmas today's look. Let's see.
So this is my whole Christmas party look.
have loved my today's look. If you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and like, share. So for today, bye bye, stay tuned, enjoy your Christmas party, love you.